Now, in this video, we will going to take up one more problem on projections of lamina. How to solve this problem by using a solid software. The problem reads as a hexagonal lamina of sides 25 mm rests on one of its sides on VP. The side opposite is the side on which it rests is 30 mm in front of VP, and the side on which it rests makes 45 degrees to HP. Draw its projections. Also determine the inclination with the reference planes. To do that, so first we will go for the solid screen. So this is the default background sheet of A2. Now I need to select A4. So to do that, so just go to the sheet 1 on the lower left corner, right click and click on sheet setup. Now you go to the background sheet and you select it on A4 and show background. I don't want to show the background. Say OK, and then you fit to the display which will going to be enlarged. Now I will go for a text, and here I will come down to the solid Times New Roman, okay, and take the font size as 4 and enter. Just come down to this and right click, click on the first button of the mouse. A hexagonal lamina of sides, a hexagonal lamina of sides 25 mm rests on one of its sides on VP. Rests on one of its sides on VP. The side opposite to the side opposite to the side on which it rests is 30 mm in front of VP. 30 mm in front of VP. And the side on which it rests makes 45 degrees to HP. Makes 45 degree to HP. Draw its projections. Also determine the inclination with the reference plane. Now to do that, first we will go for the solid. So you right click on this. Now you come down to sketching. Again go to move, disable copy. You select this and move it and place it wherever you want. Now you take this zoom in. Now we want to start with the problem. So before starting the problem, make sure in this in IntelliSketch you have endpoint, you have intersection, and you have horizontal or vertical is enabled, and all other options you make it disabled. Now the hexagonal lamina of 30 mm side and 25 mm side. So to do that, first I will go for a line command. Come down to the width, make it 0.05. So now you keep the hexagonal lamina in the horizontal position first. So consider any arbitrary point and take 25, angle is 0, then 25, enter, angle is 60, then 25, enter, angle is 120, then 25, angle is 180, then 25, angle is 240, then 25, enter, angle is 300. Once you do that, now we go for a group command. Go to group, select this entire drawing and right click. Now you go to select this hexagon and make it 0.5. Now we want to rotate and make it vertical now. So to do that, I will go for rotate command, disable copy, you select this, take this endpoint with this endpoint you make this edge vertical like this. Okay. Then you go to move, select this and place it wherever you want. Okay. Now we go for a line command. Draw a horizontal line of any length. Okay. Now in this case I will take go to text and here put the caps lock on, type X, and you make this font size as 3 and you type X and here it should be VP and here it should be HP. Then go to text, A dash, then we have B dash, then we have C dash, then we have D dash, then you have E dash, then you have F dash. Okay. Then go to fit, then go to zoom window. Okay. Then go to move. Take this X and this is VP and this is HP. Similarly, you have A dash and here you have F dash. Here you have E dash. Take B dash. Then you have C dash. Then you have D dash. Okay. Then go to line. Take end point and draw the vertical line. Similarly from here and similarly from here. Then go to trim. Okay. Now you got split this line till here. Then you split this line till here. Then go to select by holding the shift key. Select between these two and you make that length 0.5. Then you make that it as a group now. Now we go for the text. Here you go to select. Okay, it's not the grouping. So go to group. Select this entire drawing and right click it. Okay. Now you go to select. It becomes finger now. Yes. Now you go to text. So here you type small letter A, B, C and then D in bracket, then E in bracket, then F in bracket. Okay. Now you go to move command, select this and you take it here, A and F here, then B and E here, okay, then C and D here. Now you go to fit and now you go to line command, draw a line from end point, draw a horizontal line of any length and then you go to offset, take the distance as 30 mm and you select this line and take it out. Now you go to zoom window. Now you go to format style, go to ISO, click on modify, click on general, make this black, then come down to text, make it Times New Roman and then go to lines, make it 0.1. Of course you have to go to text, in the text you have to take 3. Okay. Okay, apply. Now you go to move command, select this, copy and you select this and move it to and keep it wherever you want. So I want there is no displacement along y direction, it should be 0, so it moves only in x. Okay, now it is moved in only in x. Now I will go for distance between this line and this line. So here you make it nominal, so you're going to get 43.3. So go to R command, by center. Take the endpoint of this. What is the radius? 43.3. Then the sweep angle is 10 degrees and you keep it on this side. Okay. Now you go to rotate option. So go to rotate, select this line, take endpoint of this. This endpoint should lie on this intersection point. Okay. Now we have the inclination. Now to this, so once we complete this, you delete this line. Now I need to write, so once we rotate this, I need to write the front view. Front view, go to line, take endpoint of this and draw a vertical line to the front view. Similarly, from here, you draw a vertical line. Then draw a horizontal line, horizontal projector from here, and similarly draw a horizontal projector from here. Okay. Now you go to trim corner between these two and trim corner between these two. Then go to trim. Now similarly go to line, draw a line from endpoint of this. Now take endpoint from here and you take endpoint from here. Okay. Now you go to trim corner between this line and this, and also between this and this. Now I will go for the line command, draw a line from end of this to end of this to end of this. Similarly from end of this to end of this to intersection of this. So once you do that, now you come down to zoom window. Now you go to split this line till here, and now you split this line till here. Okay. Then go to select by holding the shift key. Okay, you select between these two and delete it. Now you go to move, enable copy, you take A and keep it here. Then F, you keep it here. Similarly B, and then E, then come down to C, and then D now. Okay. Once you do that, go to fit, go to zoom window. Now you go to split this line till here, then you 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 split this line till here. Then go to select by holding the shift key. By holding the shift key, you select all these 6 lines. Okay. And you convert that into 0.5. And also you make it as a group. Once you do that, you select this line, and this line together. Right click. Now you go to move, enable copy, you take A dash and keep it here, take B dash and you keep it here, then you take C dash, then D dash, then E dash, then F dash. Once you do that, now I need to rotate this by an angle of 45 degrees. So to do that, I will go for a move command, enable copy, you select this and you keep it here. Like this. Okay. Then go to rotate, disable copy, you select this, you rotate this vertical line by an angle of 45 degrees. So you keep it on this side. Then you again go to move, select this, disable copy and you place it wherever you want. Okay. Then you go to fit. Similarly, go to line command, consider any line here and you extend that to A. Then you go to select and remove this. Now once you do that, then you come down to this. Now you go to move, enable copy, take A dash and keep it here. Then you take F dash and you keep it here. Then E dash. Then D dash. Then C dash. Then B dash. Okay. Then go to line. Draw a line from this point onto VP. Okay. Then go to trim between these two. Then again go to move, disable copy, keep it outside. Okay. Now similarly draw a horizontal projector from B and E now. Okay. Then from here B dash and also from E dash. And then go to trim corner between these two. Okay. Similarly from C dash and D dash. Okay. And also from D dash. Okay. Then go to trim corner between this line and this, and also between these two. Now you go to zoom window and you take this, go to line, take end point to this end point to this end point. Similarly, end of this to end of this to end of this. Right click. Now you go to split. Split this line till here and you split this line till here. Then you split this line till here. Now you go to select by holding the shift key. Select all these 6 lines and you make that as 0.5. Okay. Now you go to text and here you type small letter A, B, C, D, E and F. Okay. Now you fit it. Then go to zoom window. Okay. Go to move. Disable copy. You take this. Here it is A. Here it is F. Here it is B. Here it is C. Here it is D. And here it is E. Okay. Now once you do that, you go to split. Split this line till here and then go to select and you delete this. Go to text and here you type caps lock on. Type Y. Then go to move. Keep it here. Okay. Now once you do that, now we go for the dimensioning part of it. So to do that, I will go for dimension. So you go to distance between this and this line, which will be 25. Again, from angle between this line and this line, which will be 45 degrees. Then from here, so what is the dimension you want? The dimension what I want here is 43.85. So to do that, so go to dimensioning variables. Okay, modify, come down to units. So since in angular you make it up to second decimal point. Okay, and apply. Now you go for angle between, select between this line and this line. You should be able to get 43.85. So you go to modify, units, angular tolerance what I have taken, it is 1, angular should be 0.12. Okay, and apply. Now you go for angle between, select this line and select this line, it is 43.86 degrees. So this is your accurate drawing. So now you go to text, come down to symbol, here you type angle phi. So then again right click, then go to text, come down to Times New Roman, Here you type 43.86. 43.86 by holding the Alt key 0176, release the degrees. Now you come down to zoom window, go to move, select this and keep it here. And now you go to line, consider any line, okay. Then go to trim corner between these two. Then go to move, enable copy, select this by holding the shift key, keep Y displacement 0 and place it wherever you want. Then go to text, Times New Roman, type the font answer. Okay. Then go to fit, then go to zoom window, then go to move, select this and keep it here. Now, okay, now you go to text and here you type answers. Answer, go to move, disable copy, you select this and you keep it here. And then come down to this, make this line blank. Once you do that, now you go to move, enable copy, select this, go to move, select this and copy it here. Okay. So this is how you will be able to create the drawing by using the Solided software. The main advantage what you have, the accuracy of the drawing will be up to the second decimal point. And we need to give one more distance, which is distance between, here come down to nominal, select this line and this line. You will going to get it as 30 mm line here. So this is how you will be able to create the drawing by using the Solided software. So here I will make one more changes here. I need to give the thickness of XY line should be 0.13. Okay.